The TSQ20W Solar Panel Kit by TOPENS offers reliable energy generation using a 20-watt 24-volt monocrystalline panel, perfect for eco-friendly power solutions. This versatile kit is ideal for charging various devices and equipment, including gate openers, RVs, caravans, and garden lights, ensuring practical applications across different settings. Engineered with a durable aluminum frame and tempered glass, these panels are designed to withstand outdoor conditions, providing longevity and weather resistance. The monocrystalline design enhances performance in low-light conditions, making it a cost-effective solution with no electricity expenses or maintenance required. Although a solar charge controller is necessary, the kit includes all essential mounting hardware and cables, facilitating easy installation even for beginners. TOPENS backs this product with comprehensive customer support, offering a 30-day exchange policy, 12-month warranty, and access to technical assistance.